Hi, I'm Paula Kettula. I'm the owner of Porta Verum Psychotherapy Services. I know that seeking support can feel really overwhelming and many people put it off, which is why I'm so glad you are looking into options to get support for your mental health so that you can feel better. Our licensed therapists who are experts in their field help people navigate and manage overwhelming feelings of anxiety and get relief from depression through effective and science-proven methods. We use trauma-informed care to help you process traumas so that you can live a fulfilling life without the shadow of trauma looming over you. We also love helping couples and families improve communication, resolve conflicts, and build healthier, stronger relationships. You can get started right now by scheduling a free 10-minute call with our client care team or send us a quick message. I want to assure you that we are here to guide you every step of the way, from matching you with the therapist who is the right fit for you, to checking your benefits and setting up your first appointment. We can't wait to support you on your mental health journey.